As Sarah said before the break, tech stocks not having a bad day. Apple, Microsoft up 2%, even smaller names with SVB exposure like Roblox are up today. Our Deirdre Bosa has a literal tech check for us. Hey, Dee.
That's right. As you said, Carl, Nasdaq's the outperformer in today's session, and tech one of the top S&P sector gainers. This interesting dynamic is playing out in real time. That sharp move in bond yields is making valuations more attractive. Of course, when rates are higher, future profits appear less valuable. The reverse is true, too. So growthier companies, they're looking better right now as yields drop. Despite the turmoil in tech over the last few days with SVB and questions about the financing landscape for cash-burning companies, you're seeing even unprofitable tech rise in today's session. Zoom, Datadog, CrowdStrike, some of the top gainers outside of pharma on the Nasdaq 100. Now, if there is a flight to safety in tech, that would be big tech and its fortress-like balance sheets. Indeed, you are seeing Apple, Microsoft, Amazon outperforming in the session. Beyond today's immediate action, though, that could be a different story, and you could see some of this reverse. B of A warns that the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank could set up this big tech versus smaller tech dynamic. They say that if the events of the past few days created a big banks over regional banks preference in financials, the software equivalent could be big, better capitalized tech. Think Microsoft, Adobe, Dell, Amazon, Google, Accenture, over smaller, less well-capitalized companies. Morgan Stanley also warning on software names, saying that the fallout could exacerbate cloud software consumption weakness versus stronger security dynamics. So as everything remains volatile, that's certainly the case in tech. These are the short-term trends, guys, but certainly the longer-term ones. There's lots of questions about the fundraising landscape.
Deirdre, I just got a statement from a related note from Etsy. Everybody's coming out clarifying their cash positions at SVB. Etsy saying small group of sellers, approximately 0.5% of our active seller base, had their payments delayed on Friday. I guess the question now that we know that those depositors are going to be made whole as a result of the government is what will be the second order effect. We were just talking about venture capital fundraising going to get harder and other sort of issues that this is going to create for tech, maybe bring some humility, in fact.
Absolutely. We've been tracking very closely over the last few years how valuations have become higher and higher. The funding environment, it's going to be more difficult. It's even going to be more difficult for some companies to open up accounts because Silicon Valley Bank really catered to the tech ecosystem and would help companies when other banks couldn't or would not. So that is going to change a lot of the dynamics here. We also talk about some of the big portfolios at the big funds like SoftBank's Vision Fund. They may have to mark down their portfolio companies earlier than they might have liked.